also a dash dog. It sits on the dash. Yeah. So we just ate In-N-Out here in California. There's Kim. She's adding pictures to Facebook about our experience at In-N-Out. All right, dear. How do you rate your In-N-Out today?
Woo! It was a 10 today. Double. Had breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Double. We've now stopped so Kim can choose all of the pictures for her Facebook post. It's taken a little longer than we thought.
Blah 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 blah.
That right there, from there to there is totally custom. The Enterprise. Hey there. We're in Fife, Washington.
Hi.
There's the wife. We're going to taco time. Yeah, I'm wearing a flannel. She's wearing a hoodie. It's
61 degrees.
It's cold out. Okay, so it's not really cold out, but it's brisk and it feels really kind of nice. We're just enjoying it. So we're here at taco time. Okay, taco time. I got the burrito, classic burrito. Kim got the platter. And this stuff here, yummy. All right. Pico, thumbs up. Salsa, thumbs up. And what is your rate of taco time?
Much better than Taco Buena, but still not as good as Taco Casa.
So taco time was delicious.
Total thumbs up.
Total thumbs up. Times 2.
We made it. We're alive with 4 seconds to spare. Hooray! Hooray! Celebrate!